What's up guys, my name is Joe, and in today's video, what can we expect from Apple tomorrow? So finally, iPhone season is arriving, and it's October the 13th tomorrow, which will be an Apple event. And it's probably the iPhone event, obviously. We will be introduced to 4 new phones: the iPhone mini, or iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, these 4 models, you have to be prepared because they will not be available at the same time. You will be able to pre-order all of them on October the 16th, which is this Friday, but the availability will be the 12 and the 12 Pro, which are the two 6.1-inch versions, will be available on October 23. The iPhone 12 mini won't be available until early November, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max won't be available until mid-end November, somewhere around November 20th. So this is what you should expect from availability of these 4 iPhone models. Now, we've had a lot of rumors on what kind of camera upgrades they will have, what's happening. The iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max will differ. There will be a 5 times optical zoom in the 12 Pro Max, while only 4 times zoom in the 12 Pro. So the bigger version is actually going back to the old golden days where the plus sizes were a little bit better in camera. Now, obviously, because it's a bigger device, we're gonna have a better battery life as they get bigger, they have better battery life. A very interesting thing that Everything Apple Pro pointed out is that these phones will be able to switch between 4G and 5G. So if you're not using data that much, it'll turn off the 5G antennas and you'll go back to 4G, so you can preserve battery life. And we know that with 5G, the biggest problem is battery life. It eats it up, it destroys it. So if there's an intelligent system that can turn on and off based on your needs, that's fantastic. Also, these phones will come with Dolby Vision audio, so you can record anything in Dolby Vision. And this is the best part. And we've talked about this on this channel, and the tech industry was all over this. MagSafe will be coming back to the iPhones, which means, you know, the MagSafe connector that was very popular in the MacBooks, but now it's discontinued. It will be coming back to iPhones, but not in the way you think, so not the connector itself. There will be magnets on the back of an iPhone, and when you place it on a Qi charger or any kind of wireless charger that is supported by these magnets, then pop, it'll just snap into place. And presumably Apple is already rolling out 2 different wireless chargers just for this, so snap on, good to go, no more bad placement. I think it's a great idea to implement these magnets into the phones. Other than this, we should not be expecting AirPods Studio, we should not be expecting AirTags. What we might get is a new Apple TV, and I think this keynote will only be about iPhones. And that's it. There are 4 models that we have to go through, and boy, will they go through them. The small one, the medium Pro, and the large Pro. That's what you get with Apple tomorrow. I really hope that there will be some kind of one more thing or some surprise, but I really want to know what you guys think. Hit me down in the comment section below. And if you're watching this after the video, then you have all the rights to call me out if I was right or wrong on what's going to happen on October the 13th. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you want to support this channel, one like and 1 subscription helps me more than you can ever imagine. So if you would be kind enough to do that, I can continue to push this content towards you guys. Until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.